Hello everyone. So today I want to share with you my experience with art. I should make it a series or something. Yeah. So I want to share with you in my country the legendary art that everyone's make when they are in the kindergarten. So there it goes. Yep. You guys see that? The sun is always smiling with a quarter circle. It's just a basic shape, man. A tree, a stick man, a flower, chicken, houses, and this little girl right here. They're just all the same. And this remind me of a story that when I was in kindergarten, and one time my mother forgot to pick me up. I was very scared, and my teacher who lived near my house, when she is, then I was very scared that when she preparing to go home, that I asked to follow her back to my home, and after that time when I can go back home without my mother, I just don't need her to pick me up anymore. I just go straight back home after school. So maybe you guys are wonder, what is this have to do with the drawing? Well, it's just that the same day I draw some kind of painting like this, then know the way back to follow back to my home, way back home. Yeah, so that is the story. If you guys have the first drawing like this, please share it, but I don't know that the YouTube comment will support the picture. So yeah, that is for today. Hope you have a productive day, and thank you for watching.